Welcome! Today, we're walking through the steps on how to create your own community on WhatsApp, the updated 2025 version. If you've ever wanted to bring people together around a shared interest, workplace, or project, this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you have access to all the newest features. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a tab called Communities. Go ahead and tap that. Next, tap on New Community. This is where the fun begins. You'll be guided through a simple setup process, so don't worry, it only takes a few moments. Tap Get Started, and you'll see options to personalize your community. Here, you can enter the community name, write a short description that explains its purpose, and choose an icon that represents your group. Once you're happy with the setup, tap Next. Now it's time to bring people together. You can either add existing WhatsApp groups that you already manage, or create brand new ones. This means your community can instantly connect multiple groups under one umbrella. Great for work teams, class projects, fan clubs, or neighborhood updates. After selecting or creating the groups you want, tap Create Community. That's it, your new WhatsApp community is ready. Members in the community can see all updates that admins share in the announcement group, and each group inside can keep chatting about their specific topics. It's an easy and organized way to stay connected without the chaos of too many mixed conversations. WhatsApp communities make communication cleaner, faster, and better. Whether you're managing a sports team, a local business, or just a large family, this feature keeps everyone in sync with less confusion and more collaboration. Now that you know how to create your community, open WhatsApp, follow these steps, and start building stronger connections today.